had too much wine for Thursday night. It's only 6 o'clock, too early to be kissing outside. It's hard to fight it though, oh, when your eyes are that blue. And I don't care if all New England knows that I want you, 'cause I do. Bit of a breeze, but it's the brightest April day. Southbound tracks were pulling away. I bet they'd all agree I'm sitting way too close to you. But I don't care if these strangers see that I want you, 'cause I do. But you don't know how that makes how it goes. And I can't help but think how sweet it'd be. You've been folding me, dark blue, and you've been steady all this time. You've been acting so apathetic, but damn it, I'm on fire. And I don't know where you sleep, where you go, so I can't help I'm your wilting rose. I'll get myself undressed. I'll close my eyes until I love you a little less. I will. Oh, I believe how sweet it would be. I'll show